Mbiraru wa Lanet County ya Nakuru muthi ni makorero na ikerekaria mbere ya Mbiraru mabura maya magukinyitio ni mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto, Minista wa Ugitiri na mihaka Aden Duale na muguna we wa githomo Ezekiel Mashogu gatagati ka atongoria ingi. Mbutu cia Ugitiri iri gĩtugĩ kĩnene harĩ kũgacĩrithia ũgitĩri wa bũrũri. President William Ruto ni arutite Riitana Kuri Mbutu ici urutira niguo kuhurana na ciĩko cia wĩkinaĩ kugitira bũrũri wa Kenya na Afrika ya irathĩro.
Even greater responsibility rests on your shoulders to consider your nation's security as a fundamental imperative for our collective transformative progress. I therefore challenge you to embrace your role as leaders and commanders with a strong sense of purpose, vision, curiosity, inspiration, and most importantly, patriotism. Allow knowledge to lead the way and let innovation and research inform your steps. You will go very far, I promise you. Whether you are in the field, at a command center, in the rooms where policy is made, or in lecture theaters, always feed curiosity through debate, reinforce innovation with challenging questions, and disrupt productively in order to stay at the cutting edge in a sharpening world.
Ino ari mbutu ya mbere kuhumbwo thumbi kuma cukuru uyu. Mutongoria wa Bururiini ahinyĩrĩirie arĩa mahumbĩtwo thumbi gũthiĩ na mbere gũthoma nĩguo magĩe na ũgĩ wa ũgitĩri.
Most importantly, be courageous enough to embrace emerging approaches and new technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, quantum computing, and innovation in cybersecurity strategies in order to protect national interests and critical infrastructures. Deploy data and analytics to anticipate threats and develop effective and efficient solutions for the challenges of our time.
President William Ruto atetithĩtie atĩ gũgĩkia bũrũri nĩ ũgũmagĩrwo nĩ mathĩna ma ciĩko cia wĩkinaĩ akĩenda Mbiraru gũkorwo mecema kũhĩtana na Itoi hamwe na ekinaĩ.
To opportunities to collaborate across disciplines and enrich your decisions with input from experts in diverse fields. This is how you build and sustain capacity to prevail in the face of complex challenges. Always know that a good idea must give way to a better idea. Don't hold on to a good idea when there is a better idea.
Ruto ugĩte ngari yake nĩ kũng'ethanĩra na mawagi wa mawĩra marĩa magũmĩire mbeũ njĩthĩ na njĩra ya gũtuoya mĩeke ya mawĩra honge citiganĩte. Ngĩribotera Muingi TV, njĩtagwo Njeri wa Ndung'u.